From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
A quiet start for your Wednesday. We are seeing quiet conditions on our CAV Tower Cam as we are looking towards downtown Utica for this morning. Again, as we go throughout the morning hours, the weather looks relatively quiet and warm. Now, we do run the risk for an isolated shower as we go throughout today, so you may want to grab the umbrella as you head out the door. You won't need it for most of today, but again, a few showers are possible. We're seeing some rain right now in Syracuse as well as down towards Ithaca. 64 degrees at Griffith Park, 69 in Syracuse, 65 in Ithaca, and you will notice it's going to be a bit more humid today as those dew points climb into the 60s. Majority of the rain is back towards Syracuse, but we are seeing a few spotty showers down towards Madison and Shenango counties. Again, most of that rain will stay to our west, but we can't rule out a passing shower for this morning as well as we head towards this afternoon. But you'll see in our skycast not much in the way of rain for today. Temperatures are going to warm up quickly by the noon hour in the mid-70s. We'll be in the mid to upper 70s for this afternoon. Now tonight, I know it's hard to believe because it's going to be the first day of fall, but may need to turn on the air conditioners tonight. Temperatures will barely get out of the 70s as we head into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, dry to start. More rain moves in as we head towards tomorrow afternoon. So for today, cloudy skies, again, a few showers possible, muggy with temperatures in the mid-70s. Very warm for tonight. Will only drop back to near 70 degrees with rain developing throughout the overnight into tomorrow. Now, majority of the rain tomorrow will be happening during the afternoon, and because of that, another warm day with temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Then we're back into the 60s as we head towards Friday. We'll have the allergy report coming up. Gary?
Jill, thanks. We're getting
The time is 5:20. We're saying good morning to Baker Corners and all of the greater Utica region. The bumblebees still working hard with the mild weather we've been dealing with over the past couple of weeks for September, and that mild weather is going to continue for today. I know it's hard to believe with temperatures in the upper 70s, but fall arrives this afternoon. So today will be the first day of fall at 3:21 p.m. It is also called the fall equinox because there's an even part of daylight and darkness, but not with the sunrise and sunset. Our sunrise today is at 6:49 and our sunset is at 6:58. Why the 9-minute difference? Well, Bill actually talked about this last night. It takes that much time for the sun to completely set and that sun to completely rise. So the sunrise is right when the tip of the sun makes its horizon. Sunset is when the tip actually falls below the horizon at night. So that difference is 8 minutes. So we will see equal amounts of daylight and darkness despite the different times in the sunrise and sunset. Something to learn for today. Now, speaking of today, and of course, we just saw those flowers, medium levels of pollen for today, low levels as we head towards tomorrow and for Friday with rain in the forecast. Look at your morning commute forecast coming up. Gary?
Jill, thanks. Dr.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
We are starting off this morning with a few showers across western parts of Oneida and Madison counties, but for the Mohawk Valley and downtown Utica, the weather is quiet on our CAV Tower Cam. Going to want to grab that umbrella as you head out the door. Not much in the way of rain for today, but a few showers are possible. On top of that, you're definitely not going to need the jacket. It's going to be warm and humid as we go throughout the morning into the afternoon. Tracking more in the way of some rain, though, as we head towards Thursday evening and into Thursday night. So again, temperatures this morning, warm, 62 in Lowville, 63 in Rome, 64 in Deansboro. Across the southern valleys, 63 in Sherburne, 60 in Cooperstown, and 59 in Schenevus. So there's the rain I've just been talking about. Again, impacting areas like Sylvan Beach, Camden, down towards Canastota, into Syracuse, into Madison, and parts of Shenango County. Majority of this rain will be staying to the west, but we will be seeing a few early morning showers across the region. That's why you want to bring the umbrella with you as you head out the door for early this morning. On our skycast, those showers will wind down as we head towards the noon hour. It's going to be mild, temperatures in the mid-70s across the region. Even upper 70s for parts of the region as we head towards this evening. Now tonight, we will see some showers across the region, but the big story for tonight, it's going to be mild. Temperatures will barely get out of the 70s as we head it towards tomorrow morning. So a very warm start for your Thursday. We'll start off dry. Rain doesn't arrive until Thursday afternoon and into Thursday evening. So again, for today, a few showers around this morning. Mild with temperatures in the mid-70s across the region. Muggy and mild for tonight. We'll only drop back into the 60s throughout the overnight. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast as we head towards tomorrow. Dry in the morning, rain during the afternoon and evening. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s once again. We're back into the 60s as we head towards Friday with a few scattered showers, and then back into the low 70s as we head towards Saturday. Gary?
Jill, thanks. It's a sentimental picture found.
The time is 5:52. We are waking up with a few showers across the region. You notice that chance of rain kind of spikes a little bit early this morning and then levels out as we go throughout today. So a few morning showers across the region, and then we'll be relatively dry. It's not until tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening you'll notice an increase with a steady rain moving into the region again for the second half of Thursday into Thursday night. So we're keeping a close eye on rainfall amounts as rain may be heavy at times. We could see 1 to 2 inches of rain. Again, most of this will be falling for the second half of Thursday into Thursday night and early Friday. So we're going to keep a close eye on that rainfall situation for tomorrow. But for this morning, seeing a few showers across the area. Look at that morning commute forecast coming up. Gary?
Jill, thanks. I'm happy. And
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Rio.
We are starting off this morning with a few showers across Central New York, but for the Mohawk Valley right now, we are beginning to see that sunrise on our CAV tower cam. Seeing some colors right there before those clouds move into the Mohawk Valley. So a quiet start for some this morning, but I am tracking a few showers. So as you head out the door this morning, going to want to grab that umbrella. You won't need it later today, but for this morning, we are seeing a few showers on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Temperatures across the region very warm, especially for the middle of September. We're at 63 at Griffith Park, 66 in Watertown, and on top of that, you're going to notice a bit more humidity for today. It's going to turn muggy, especially as we head towards this afternoon. There's the rain I'm talking about on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, this rain is impacting areas like Camden, Sylvan Beach, as well as Rome, Westmoreland, seeing some showers. These showers are lifting to the north and to the east and will begin to move out of the region early this morning and will dry out as we go throughout today. Best chance for steady rain will be tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. So once those showers lift to the north, we're going to see dry conditions as we head towards the noon hour. An isolated shower possible. Temperatures are going to quickly warm up into the upper 70s for this afternoon. So by 5 p.m., we are seeing mostly cloudy skies. Muggy and mild for tonight. Tonight may be an air conditioning night if you do not take out your air conditioners, because look at this. By tomorrow morning, we're already starting off with temperatures near 70 degrees across the region. Dry to start for Thursday. It's not till Thursday late afternoon and Thursday evening we will track that rain. So some scattered showers around this morning. Well, temperatures will warm up into the 70s as we head towards this afternoon. For tonight, muggy and mild will only drop back to near 70 degrees for tonight. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast as we head towards tomorrow, mid to upper 70s once again with showers, especially late in the day, with temperatures back into the 60s as we head towards Friday. Gary?
Jill, thanks. Today,
The time is 6:21. We're saying good morning to Baker Corners and all the Greater Utica region. Still some flowers holding on strong for the month of September and making those bees happy. Again, at least for the next couple of days. Now, speaking of fall officially arrives this afternoon at 3:21. It's also known as the fall equinox because there's an equal amount of daylight and darkness. Now, the sunrise and sunset are not equal, though. Our sunrise this morning is at 6:49. Our sunset is at 6:58. Why the 9-minute difference? Well, because the definition of the sunrise is once the tip of the sun hits the horizon. Before that, we already see daylight is what we're actually seeing right now on our CAV tower cam. And then sunset is when the tip of the sun hits the horizon. Again, still seeing some sunlight after that. So because of that difference, there is a 9-minute difference between the actual sunrise and sunset, but equal amounts of daylight and darkness. For today, pollen count, medium levels, low levels of pollen for tomorrow and for Friday as well. Look at that morning commute forecast coming up. Gary?
Jill, thanks. Doctors say
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Rio.
Still seeing a little bit of sunlight forward this morning as clouds continue to increase across central New York. A live look at our CAV tower cam. There you go. Beautiful sunrise as we look towards the east with clouds moving in from the south and west. We're also seeing that sunrise on our Mirabito tower cam down in Oneonta. As you step outside for this morning, you're going to want to bring the umbrella with you. Don't need the jacket. A few showers are developing for this morning. We will begin to dry out as we go throughout the morning hours. So have that umbrella handy because you'll need it, especially as we head towards tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. Warm this morning, even up north. Old Forge is at 61 degrees, 62 in Inlet, 60 in Glenmore, 63 in Westdale and New Hartford, 62 in Clinton as we head to the south across the southern valleys, 57 in Hartwick, 59 in Hartwick, 57 in Lawrence, 58 in Milford, 60 in Edmiston, 62 in Morris, and 64 in Cooperstown. So there are the showers showing up on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, primarily impacting Oneida County and Madison County. These showers will lift to the north as we go throughout the morning hours. We will begin to dry out throughout the morning and into the early afternoon, and it's going to be quite warm as well. So by the noon hour, mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures will be in the low 70s by noon. We'll make our way into the upper 70s for this afternoon. Now, if you do not put away your air conditioners yet, you're going to need them for tonight, as the temperatures will only drop back to near 70 degrees as we head it towards tomorrow morning, and it's going to be quite muggy as well. Dry to start for Thursday. Rain develops Thursday evening into Thursday night. So for today, some scattered showers this morning, giving way to partly to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures will be in the 70s for tonight. We'll drop back into the upper 60s. Very humid as well for tonight into tomorrow. Tomorrow, dry to start. Rain develops tomorrow afternoon, especially for tomorrow evening. I'll track that rain for tomorrow coming up in less than 10 minutes. Gary?
Jill, thanks. We are getting an
The time is 6:48. We are waking up with mostly cloudy skies across central New York and some rain. And we'll see our chance of rain is probable for early this morning, then quickly dips down to low as we go throughout the morning into the afternoon hours. It won't really begin to increase until tomorrow late afternoon and into tomorrow night, where we'll see widespread rain across the region. Now, the rain that's going to fall tomorrow night could be heavy at times. We're going to keep a close eye on that rainfall amount over the next 24 hours. Again, the heaviest rain will be arriving tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. So today's a great day to clean those gutters of any debris as well as any storm drains as well. Now, rainfall this morning will quickly be coming to an end. We'll look at that morning commute forecast coming up. Gary?
Jill, thanks. I'm happy.
The time is 7:11. We are waking up with some cloud cover now moving in on our CAV tower cam, but we've had numerous reports of rainbows and double rainbows, so we want to share them with you. If you have any rainbow photos, you can always post them on Twitter or on Facebook. Our first rainbow was sent in from Tammy Lynn Jones. You can see that rainbow right there, right in the middle of that photo. And then check this one out. This is pretty much a panoramic full rainbow. This is from Patrick Gates, also posted on Facebook. And then we head to Twitter. Not only do we have a double rainbow this morning, but a gorgeous sunrise as well from Ken Smith in South Utica. So again, if you have any rainbow photos, sunrise photos, we want to see them. You can always post them on social media. Speaking of sunrise and sunset, look at that fall equinox coming up. Gary?
Jill, thanks.
The time is 7:17. We are waking up with the last summer sunrise. Yes, fall arrives this afternoon at 3:21 to be exact. And with the first day of fall, of course, you think equal amounts of daylight and darkness, which is true, but our sunrise and our sunset are 9 minutes different. Sunrise is at 6:49 and our sunset is at 6:58. Why the difference? Well, the sunrise is defined as the tip of the sun crossing the horizon. Even though it may be daylight out, it's not officially sunrise until the tip of the sun crosses the horizon. Same for the sunset. It's not sunset until the top of the sun goes below the horizon as well. And the timing of that is 9 minutes. That is why there's a 9-minute difference between sunrise and sunset for today. Rain returns. We'll be tracking that rain coming up. Gary?
Jill, thanks. From the News Channel.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Riehl.
A mild start for your Wednesday with some scattered showers across parts of central New York. On our CAV tower cam, we are seeing mostly cloudy skies. Now, we did see a beautiful sunrise for this morning. It's going to be warm and humid for today. It's going to feel like summer across central New York with a chance for some showers this morning. Better chance for some rain as we head towards Thursday. Sky watchers again in the 60s for the most part. 63 in Westdale, 60 in Glenmore, 62 in Clinton. Across the southern valleys, waking up to 60 in Edmondson, 64 in Cooperstown, and 62 in Morris. Again, a few showers still impacting parts of Oneida County on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. But these showers will be pushing to the north and to the east as we go throughout this morning. So do expect dry conditions as we go throughout the morning into the early afternoon hours. So by noon, low 70s. We're going to top off in the mid to upper 70s for this afternoon and evening. So by 5 p.m., mostly cloudy skies across central New York. As we head towards tonight, muggy and mild. The temperatures are only dropping back to near 70 degrees by tomorrow morning. Now, tomorrow morning, we are starting off with cloudy skies. Rain doesn't arrive until late Thursday afternoon and into Thursday evening. So for today, mix of sun and clouds this morning with a few showers. Temperatures will be warming up into the 70s. Muggy and mild tonight with scattered showers continuing. We'll drop back into the upper 60s. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast as we head towards tomorrow, dry in the morning, rain develops during the afternoon with temperatures in the mid 70s. We're back into the 60s with some scattered showers as we head towards Friday.
Outside, let's get a first look at our forecast here on this Wednesday. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
You may have to double check the calendar. I know today will be the first day of fall this afternoon. It feels like summer. Temperatures already in the mid 70s across central New York. I know it's a warm afternoon when even Old Forge is at 71 degrees, 74 in Clinton, 73 in Mohawk as well as Cassville, 76 in Cooperstown, and 76 in Ilion. I am tracking a few showers on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Most of these showers have stayed to the west of the Mohawk Valley this morning, but a few sprinkles are possible as we go throughout the afternoon. But the majority of that precipitation will stay to the west as we go throughout today. And with that, medium levels of pollen for today, back to low levels as we head towards Thursday and Friday with more in the way of some rain. So again, a sprinkler or two possible this afternoon. Temperatures in the upper 70s. Very warm and humid for tonight. Look at those temperatures coming up. Gary?
Jill, thanks. The KO.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
We are starting off this afternoon with mostly cloudy skies across central New York. Cloud cover across the region for this afternoon on our CAV tower cam. We did see some sunshine earlier this morning, but even with the cloud cover, it is warm and humid outside. Let's take a look at the area Mesonet cameras. From Brookfield to Lawrence, we're seeing mostly cloudy conditions, but look at Springfield and Oppenheim. Still some blue skies, but as we go throughout the afternoon, do expect an increase in clouds across the region. And with those clouds, a few showers are possible for this afternoon. Not everybody is going to see the rain throughout the afternoon hours, but an isolated shower or two is possible. Better chance of rain as we head towards tomorrow, especially tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. 74 degrees at Griffiths Park. We're one of the warm spots across the state. 74 as well in Watertown, 73 in Syracuse, 74 in Albany. And of course, it's not just the air temperature. It is very humid outside. Feels like the middle of summer rather than the first day of fall. Those dew points are in the muggy to humid category on our comfort index and will continue for tonight and into tomorrow. So tracking just a few showers on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, primarily across western Oneida County and into Madison County. These showers are pushing to the north. So if you live in Herkimer County, Otsego County, you're going to stay dry for this afternoon as that moisture stays to our west. We can't rule out a passing shower for Oneida County and Madison County, but again, most of that activity is staying well to the west of central New York for today. So on our Skycast, as we head towards 5 p.m., check this out. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. For tonight, if you do not put away your air conditioners, I highly recommend turning them on because temperatures will only drop back to near 70 degrees as we head towards tomorrow morning. A very warm and humid night across the region. As we head into tomorrow morning, starting off in the 70s. Dry to start for tomorrow morning. Rain moves in as we head towards tomorrow afternoon, especially for tomorrow evening. So your evening commute looks quite soggy across the region. The rain will taper off as we head towards Thursday night and into Friday. We are keeping a close eye on rainfall amounts because rain could be falling heavy at times as we go throughout the day tomorrow. So starting off tonight through Friday morning, we could see 1 to 2 inches of rain, and some of that rain will be falling heavy at times. So you want to make sure your gutters are clear, any storm damage or storm drains are clear as well of any debris, as we will be seeing that rain move into the area. Again, this is for tomorrow night into Friday. So for today, though, just an isolated shower, warm and humid. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s as we head into tonight. It's an air conditioning night. We'll be near 70 degrees during the overnight and into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, we're going to see showers, especially during the afternoon and evening hours. Another warm day with temperatures in the mid-70s. More fall-like weather as we head towards Friday with highs in the upper 60s. Gary?
Jill, thanks. Now to health.
With Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, Kristen, we're tracking some rain showers this evening. Generally light, but it is going to impact your evening plans if you're looking to get outside. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Rain is very slowly pushing in from the west. It's coming in from the southwest here. And again, this is expected to move across the area here as we head into this evening. The general line of rain is light, so it's only going to be around for a couple of hours, and then we'll get a chance to dry out. Big story, the warm weather. Current temperature is 73 degrees. We have a high humidity, the dew point 68. It stays very humid as we head into tonight. By the way, first day of fall officially kicking off this afternoon at 3:21. As we look at our weather headlines, it's going to be a very warm start, or a very warm night tonight. Might even need the air conditioner. Looking at some rain, heavy at times late tomorrow, cooler weather on the horizon. This evening, rain showers, very warm temperatures in the low 70s. We're tracking how much rain is expected and if it could cause any issues in terms of flooding. We're taking a look at that forecast coming out. Kristen, back to you.
5 days away from the original.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
A warm start to the first day of fall here in Central New York. Temperatures in the upper 70s, unseasonably warm for sure, and it is going to remain very mild as we head into this evening and tonight. This is a live look outside as we overlook the city of Utica. We can see clouds in the distance and ominous skies. Some light rain is approaching our area. It's already raining for many of us. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The rain approaching slowly from the southwest, and we're expecting generally light rain and showers here as we head into this evening as well as early tonight. Nothing really heavy, no thunder involved either. It looks like the heavier rain will be arriving here tomorrow during the second half of the day, especially tomorrow night. Going to bed tonight, it is going to be an air conditioner worthy night. If you haven't already put it away, you'll find yourself using it. Overnight lows will only be in the upper 60s. That is more reminiscent of the middle of summer. It's been a common theme this month of September. We've had some very warm nights. We've had a noticeable absence of more typically cool conditions, and really haven't seen those chilly nights, at least not yet. Utica, 78 degrees. Big Moose, 70. Dolgeville, 77. Across the Southern Valleys, Cooperstown, 75. And Skinevus with 72. If you do take the dog out for a walk this evening, you'll need the umbrella. Really not too bad of an evening to go for a walk. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s. Tonight's featured dog is Jake. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by Staffworks. Now, tomorrow we have the risk of some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, a low threat for severe weather, but it's not a 0% chance. So we do have a possibility of a few rumbles of thunder here. A bigger concern would be some locally heavy rain. So you look at the radar and satellite image, we are tracking low pressure to the west. This is heading almost due north, but it will carry the rain with it as we head into late tomorrow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, a couple of light showers, mild overnight lows in the upper 60s. That shield of rain eventually gets here for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Again, periods of rain developing later in the day. Tomorrow night, the rain goes to the east, and we will get a chance to dry out for Friday. Friday's looking pretty nice, a mix of sunshine and clouds. Cooler, too, temperatures in the upper 60s. Thinking about an inch to an inch and a half of rain is possible here throughout this time period of tonight as well as tomorrow night. not expecting any big issues in terms of flooding. Muggy tonight, low of 68, again some light rain showers. Cloudy with rain developing late tomorrow, a high of 75. Showers around early Friday and then we'll dry out. So the weather should be nice for football, 68. Saturday, a sunny start to the weekend, 72. Scattered showers here, cooler weather Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. With today being the first day of fall, we're going to take a look at how the leaves are doing.
All right, Bill, thank you. A small...
Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Since today is the first day of fall, I thought it'd be fitting to take a look at the fall foliage forecast as we head into the weekend. Starting to see some color being drawn out along the higher elevations. Along the Adirondacks, about 40 to 50% of the leaves have changed over in Old Forge, Speculator, and Lake Pleasant based on ground reports. And we are seeing some color as well taking place across the Mohawk Valley and Southern Valleys. It is still a few weeks away for peak color in many areas. And just by based on what we were seeing at this time last year, there seems to have been more color at this time last year compared to this year. But again, every year is a little bit different. Cloudy skies, some showers as we head into this evening. It's a very warm evening out there. We are tracking some rain. We're taking a look at how much rain we can expect heading into tomorrow. Could be falling heavy at times as well. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. From now until about 8 o'clock.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. Tracking rain approaching and moving through the area this evening. Very warm and very humid conditions. A live look at our Mirabito Tower Cam overlooking Oneonta. You can see plenty of cloud cover. If you're heading out this evening, grab an umbrella. We're going to be continuing to track rain. Speaking of rain, we saw enough of it early this morning to get a rainbow, a morning rainbow. It's a rare thing, but it can happen. And we have many pictures of some great rainbows from earlier this morning. This picture taken by Joe, and we do appreciate those photos. You can check them out on our Facebook page. Search for WKTV Weather. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We've got all of this steady rain moving through the area. It's not really heavy, but it's steady. This is going to lift through the area as we head into the next several hours. And behind this first batch of rain, just a few scattered showers heading into tonight, so the rain will taper off. We've got another round of rain here for later tomorrow, and this round of rain will be heavier. It could cause some minor flooding as we head into tomorrow night, something we'll keep an eye on. We're not expecting any big problems, but as we know, some areas are a lot more vulnerable than other spots. We're specifically concerned about low-lying areas and areas of poor drainage. There might be some issues late tomorrow night, but I think that will be the exception rather than the rule. Schuyler 71, Mike in New Hartford 73. Our sky watchers are warm for the first day of fall. Barneville at 74. Across Southern Valleys, we've got MJ in Sequoia with 71 degrees. Christopher in Edmonston 71. Wayne and Lawrence, one of the cooler spots, 69 degrees. If you're looking to cut the lawn after yet more rainfall, it looks like your best opportunity to do that would be either late Friday or Saturday. That's when we're expecting to see some dry weather. Tomorrow, that heavy rain is also accompanied by a few rumbles of thunder, especially south of the area. There is a very small chance that we could see some gusty winds south of the Mohawk Valley late tomorrow. So you look at the radar and satellite image. This is all being driven by low pressure to the west, which will head north and again bring some heavier rain late in the day tomorrow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast today, a passing shower. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 60s. It's going to be a soaker heading into tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures will climb into the 70s. The rain will gradually head to the east as we head into tomorrow night, and the weather looks to dry out as we head into Friday with a return of sunshine and temperatures in the upper 60s. Cloudy heading into tonight, and it's going to be a mild overnight. Temperatures will drop down into the upper 60s. Mid-70s tomorrow, steady rain, especially later in the day. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. An early shower on Friday, 68 for the high. Sunshine Saturday, 72. Some scattered showers Sunday and Monday. Cooler temperatures as we head into early next week with highs in the upper 60s. We're tracking rainfall amounts. We're going to take a close look at how much you can expect in your area. And it's coming up at 6 o'clock. Stay with us.
Cast at 6, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis tracking rain.
We are tracking rain, a very warm evening, even with the rain. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It's not heavy. It's not producing any thunder or lightning or anything severe. But still, you'll need the umbrella if you're heading out over the next couple of hours. The rain is lightening up somewhat to the south, but another round is approaching the southern tier of New York State. This is all moving from southwest to northeast, so we will be seeing more rain as we head later into this evening and early tonight. Again, despite the rain, 71 degrees. It's very humid, too. The dew point is 68, feeling like a summer out there in terms of the level of humidity. Of course, this is also officially the first day of fall, which started at 3:21 in the afternoon. And though it does feel like summer, it will indeed feel more like fall as we look ahead. Warm tonight. Heavy rain will be developing late tomorrow, and we are tracking how much is expected to fall across the area. And again, some cooler weather to follow. Cloudy showers this evening. Again, very mild temperatures in the 70s. We're tracking rainfall amounts. We're also diving into the idea if this rain could cause any flooding issues. Look at that forecast coming up. Back over to you.
All right, thanks, Bill.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. A very, very warm day for September 22nd. Temperatures in the upper 70s. And with the high humidity, it feels less like fall than and more like summer, at least for today. The weather's going to change, though. This is a live look at our CAVV Tower Cam. We're looking over the city of Utica to the south from our vantage point here on Smith Hill, and we can see plenty of cloud cover. We're also tracking some generally light rain. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. There are pockets of moderate rain involved here as well, especially north of the Mohawk Valley. This is heading generally southwest to northeast, so the rain will generally taper off or at least become less as we head into this evening. Still a couple of showers across the southern tier. Those will be lifting north heading into tonight. The next round of rain, though, is going to be much heavier, and that arrives late in the day tomorrow. This is likely going to bring us more than an inch of rain, and there could be some minor flooding due to that heavy rainfall. The timing of this will be tomorrow night, and again, this looks widespread. Going to bed tonight, overnight lows will only be in the upper 60s, so that's more typical of a summer night. So if you still have the air conditioner installed, you might want to consider using it, at least for tonight. Looking ahead, we do expect some cooler overnight low temperatures. Barneveld 74, John and Schuyler 71 degrees, Villanova Forge 73. Across Southern Valleys, Cooperstown 74, Mark and Milford 71, Lyman in Eaton with 70 degrees. In addition to the rain late tomorrow, there also could be some gusty winds involved, especially south of the Mohawk Valley. Again, we'll keep an eye on that. Perhaps some rumbles of thunder, too. So you look at the radar and satellite image. To the west we go, and this is where we find an area of low pressure, which will be heading north, and that carries the rain into our region as we head into late tomorrow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, again, rain showers around tonight. Very mild. Overnight lows, again, only in the upper 60s. Tomorrow, a cloudy start to the day, but a shield of rain will be very slowly working in from the west. Can't rule out some thunder, too. That rain will be around heading into tomorrow night, and then heading into Friday, the rain comes to an end. Could have some showers around early in the morning, but the weather looks a lot nicer later in the day. We're expecting a decent amount of sunshine, and temperatures will be noticeably cooler with highs in the upper 60s. As far as rainfall totals are concerned, we're thinking a general inch to an inch and a half of rain. And again, I do stress this is not expected to cause big issues, but some ponding on roadways and in poor drainage areas certainly possible. Muggy tonight, low of 68, again some rain showers. Steady rain developing late tomorrow, a high of 75. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Showers early Friday, 68 degrees. Sunshine Saturday, a beautiful start to the weekend. Scattered showers Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Seasonably cooler with highs in the mid to upper 60s. Dry, sunny on Wednesday with highs in the mid 60s. We'll be right back.
For a first look at your forecast, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, thanks, Tyra. We're talking about rain as we head into tomorrow. Rain heavy at times. That could cause some minor flooding issues as well. Let's take a look at what's going on out there tonight. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And we are seeing rain, especially in and north of Utica. That's rain is heading to the north. It is a warm night. Current temperature is 69 degrees. Our high today 79. The lowest morning 63. Well above average. That's the way the month has been going so far. And we are looking at another warm day tomorrow before things begin to change and cool down. We also have the risk for some heavy rain. Our area, along with most of central and eastern New York, as well as Pennsylvania, highlighted in the risk of excessive rainfall as we head into tomorrow afternoon. That just means that there could be some minor issues here, some pining on roadways later in the day. It's going to be very warm tonight, again tracking some heavy rain late tomorrow, followed by more seasonably cool weather as we head into the end of the week. Muggy tonight, a low of 68, tracking a few light rain showers as well. We'll look at conditions at the bus stop, and that's coming up. Sarah, back over to you.
Thank you, Bill.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are taking a live look outside. Our CAVV Tower Cam is overlooking the city of Utica. It is a very warm night, and we're also dealing with some rain. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Rain is coming in from the south, so a round of rain over central New York this evening, and more is to come as we head into tomorrow, especially tomorrow night. That's when we're expecting widespread heavy rain. It's not expected to be a major rainfall event. We're not expecting any widespread flooding, but flooding can't be ruled out, especially in poor drainage areas and low-lying areas. Those are the biggest concerns. Thankfully, we have not had a lot of rain this month so far, so that does help. Should be able to handle this one a little bit better compared to if this fell a month ago. We also have the risk for some stronger storms, at least a chance of them happening, and that's going to be mainly south of Utica. The overall risk is low, but it's not zero. We could see some gusty winds and maybe a rumble of thunder or two as we head into late tomorrow. Going to bed tonight, it's air conditioner worthy weather. Overnight low is only in the upper 60s, so uncomfortable sleeping conditions. Strange to say that in the second half of September, but one of the reasons why is we have a lot of humidity in place, and whenever we have high humidity, it's just difficult to cool off. The clouds, the wind, that also keeps temperatures from falling at night. So look at the bigger picture. We've got low pressure to the southwest. This is racing to the north, and this will be bringing us more heavy rain as we head into the day tomorrow. Rain showers around tonight. Overnight lows again stuck in the upper 60s to low 70s, so very warm conditions. And a warm start to the day tomorrow. We're generally dry in the morning, and then a shield of rain will slowly push in from the west. And again, do expect rain heavy at times to take place heading into late tomorrow, especially tomorrow night. The weather dries out for Friday. We're expecting some sunshine, and the weather should cooperate. Should be a pretty nice night for high school football. An inch to an inch and a half of rain is expected as we head into tomorrow and into tomorrow night region-wide. So again, ponding on roadways possible. Any major flooding should be kept to a minimum. Muggy tonight, rain showers, low of 68. Tomorrow, rain developing later in the day. It'll be another warm and humid one with a high of 75. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Showers possible early Friday, 68 for the high. It will be a cooler day. Nice start to the weekend. Saturday, mostly sunny, 72. Scattered showers Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Cooler weather to follow. Highs in the mid-60s on Wednesday. Sayara, back to you.
Thank you, Bill. Coming up.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside from our CAVV Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. It is a very warm night in central New York. We're also tracking some light rain. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some scattered showers continue in and north of Utica. These will be lingering around overnight, and we're expecting the rain to become heavier as we head into the day tomorrow, especially tomorrow night. That's when the heaviest rain will be around locally. And with about an inch to an inch and a half of rain in the forecast, some minor flooding is possible. We're mainly concerned for areas that have poor drainage or low-lying areas. That's the main concern. The overall risk for flooding is not all that high. And same thing with severe weather. We have parts of our area in the possible range of getting some stronger storms tomorrow that would be in and south of the Mohawk Valley. But again, Overall risk, not high, but it's also not zero. So just something to be aware of for late tomorrow. Going to bed tonight is very, very warm. It's an air conditioner worthy night if you still have it in. It's going to be useful tonight. Overnight lows will only be in the upper 60s, and a big reason why is because we have high humidity in place. Dew points are still in the mid 60s. This is something you would see in the middle of summertime. And we're dealing with it here on September 22nd. So look at the bigger picture. Low pressure to the west is going to lift to the north and carry a train of heavy rain with it. And that will be arriving as we head into the day tomorrow. Mostly cloudy skies tonight. Again, a passing shower is possible. We'll start out tomorrow morning with cloudy skies. Brief showers possible early in the day, but the lion's share of the rain will be arriving in the afternoon and evening. The rain comes down heavy at times with temperatures climbing into the low 70s. Rain comes to an end tomorrow night, and then we're expecting drier conditions heading into Friday. A shower is possible early in the day, but then the weather should be pretty nice for high school football, and plans later in the day should be expecting pretty decent weather with high temperatures in the upper 60s. An inch to an inch and a half of rain is in the forecast as we head into tomorrow and tomorrow night. Again, a soaking rain, but not a very heavy rainfall. So again, just some minor problems are possible. Muggy tonight, low of 68. Tomorrow, we are looking at cloudy skies with periods of rain later in the day, a high of 75. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Some showers here through early Friday, and then we'll get a chance to dry out. Friday's high 68. Saturday looks beautiful, 72. Some scattered showers here Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Temperatures remain in the mid 60s by Wednesday. Jason.
It's running weather, Bill. Coming up next.